What up? It's Rusty Russ, back with that stimulus challenge. Let's do this. Alright guys, we're back. That stimulus challenge, that $1,200 small account challenge. We're actually changing the name of the challenge to small account challenge because, we're kind of done with COVID and we're really tired of COVID shit, and we just don't want to be reminded anymore of all of COVID's bullshit, because that shit was fucking terrible, frankly. Okay, so we're looking at oil. Fuck oil, just kidding, at all times. So this week, we went from $1,200, the last 2 weeks, no episode last week, we went from $1,200, because remember we took our profits at 26 and put some of that, took some of that money off the table, so we kind of the house's money, and we went from $1,200 to $6,066, guys. Got absolutely bullish. We didn't give a single fuck trading these put credit spreads. Alright, so let's break down these trades though. The week before last, we made money on Apple, $423 on Apple, guys. And I'm pretty sure that trade was, we just kept playing Apple. It was pretty good. I think that trade was here. Was that? Nope, it was the week before. So it was, oh yeah, I remember the trade. So it was the 125, 126, I believe. It was somewhere in here where I thought Apple was just going to continuously get bullish. I saw here to here. I was just like, oop. And, we made our money, 400 and some odd dollars, which pushed us up to 1,800, which was pretty good, guys, pretty good. And then we made some more trades, guys. We made money in Amazon, Apple again, 130, 131, strikes expiring the next week. And then a little bit, we took a day trade on PayPal because we just thought it was going to get bullish as shit, and it did. Amazon got absolutely bullish. We kind of just, what were our strikes there? I think they were even. I think they were like super high strikes, like right here, and it kind of just popped up and we sold up here. For Apple, for Amazon, and for PayPal, like I've been telling you about PayPal, guys. I think we just got in. What was that, the 265, 267 strikes? I think it was, or may have been even lower. And PayPal made its way up and went and closed for a profit one of these days. And then we got JP Morgan overnight, right before earnings, and took a $500 loss. And at the same time, we got CAT overnight, this night right here, and we took the 127.50, the 227.50, the 230 strikes here, and we saw what CAT did, and we made $1,000 off of CAT. Took a $500 loss on JP Morgan, but this is what we did the day before, was 1,031. And let me show you that CAT win and loss. Oops, I didn't show you. And I was still holding a position too, which I closed. So we made 1,000 off of CAT, and then it doesn't show the JP Morgan position, but we took about, the difference between these two is the loss we took on JP Morgan. We went ahead and just closed it. Not that you need to close it just because you're down, but our expiration was pretty far out in time. And then what happened was, guys, Apple, that day that JP Morgan had earnings, it was this day, Apple bled. Okay, Apple bled pretty hard, and so did Amazon, guys. Bled pretty hard, right? And we saw it bounce off this fib, and we called out some good strikes that day. And then additionally, Facebook, we saw Facebook do the same thing. It didn't quite touch my fib level, but I saw it bleed. I was like, let it come down to 303. We called it the 302.50 to 305 strikes this day, and it went right up. We saw it hit 309, 310, and then we just cut our position. Even though it was expiring this Friday, and we would have been at a max gain the very next day, but we took, I think we left about $500 on the table on Facebook, and then we left about We left a lot of money on the table, about $600 on Amazon, even though Amazon would have expired for Max Game 2. We just believe that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, guys. So that's what we did. All right, let's check out what the NASDAQ is climbing towards all-time highs. I think we'll remain bullish. Intel big tech earnings. We have the Dow. I think the Dow is gonna really tell everyone what's up next week, and so is tech. I think we're just gonna see continued bullishness. See some consolidation here, like we saw here on Apple. I mean, is it ready for that big move up? I think it is. Applied Material, guys. I mean, if that's not what a bull flag looks like, I mean, holy shit, it's probably textbook bull flag. I think we're gonna see Applied Materials been charging more for their materials, frankly, because of inflation and because of the chip shortage, and we're just gonna see this thing get absolutely bullish all the way back up to 145. Amazon, I think it can continue to make higher highs. Boeing, not a lot of faith, guys. I told you when it comes down near 245, I might call it out, but I'd rather call it Cat. We got Kitty Cat here, but I want Kitty Cat at about 230, or the tractor company instead. Deere, my dear. Disney, what are you doing, Disney? I think like if we just said condors, but like that's that one time when you think you can do condors on Disney and it shoots up to 205 and you'll lose your money. You know, like, do we want to do condors? Like, I don't think so. Facebook, I think Facebook can keep climbing with big tech. And that MACD is about to cross too. It's gonna be pretty good. Home Depot makes an all-time high every day. Like, I don't know why we're not trading Home Depot. We definitely should be, because I keep getting scared, guys. But like when it was here, I was like, oh, what if we call out the strikes? Like, yeah, we might just trade Home Depot anyways. JP Morgan Chase, you know, Goldman Sachs. It's better now, I guess. I don't fucking know. Southwest Airlines has earnings next week, so we might. I mean, I don't want to though. Okay, so we have Planet 13, which is, you know what they do. I'm your Snoop Doggy Dogg. So I think if you want to get this stock for a long-term position, go ahead and pick up shares now, and it'll be at $40 eventually. You know, hold it for a couple of years. Like, it's a really good company. Buy. PayPal. I mean, I like it better. I like 265. Not gonna lie to you. Square. I mean, Square might have a little bit more room to run. You know, this is just triple Q showing what the Nasdaq is doing on a triple leverage basis, which you shouldn't be doing, guys. Very good food. I mean, no, this is Tattooed Chef. Go ahead and pick up Tattooed Chef shares, guys, for your long-term account. Hold it for a couple of years. I mean, that'll be a smart move. Wynn Resorts getting absolutely wrecked. We aren't calling it out, but that definitely looks like a bull flag. Best tracks we've ever had on this channel. Here, let me credit the artist. I think his name is Travis King, and the track is called Take What You Want. It's super dope, guys. Go ahead and drop a comment, smash that like button, guys, and make sure to join the Discord. The link is in the description, where I enter, where I exit, how to 6x your account in a week. Like, it's all included, guys. A 7-day free trial. You know, great group, real cool people. $15 a month after the 7 days. I mean, it's probably the easiest money you'll ever make in your life. Tell everyone about it, guys, because not enough people know about it. All you gotta do is get alerts on your phone and click the buttons on your Tastywork account on your phone, and bada bing, bada boom, you got way more money than you did, guys. You know what I mean? Alright. Well, that'll be it for me. Deuce.